When looking for a trading opportunity, it's really important to try and get that extra bit of information that's going to tip those odds a little bit more in your favor to be a successful trade. Really good example of this is from the S&P 500 index yesterday. I'm looking at the S&P futures here. We had a short opportunity at about 12:30 UK time yesterday. It's a little bit early, but then really any data yesterday, so it's not necessarily an issue. You see those indicators turning over here. Let's just go through that with you. You can see the vector average line changing color, the trend signal line changing color, giving us a potential swing trading opportunity. Now, as a prudent trader, what we have to do is ask ourselves the question of whether we should actually take that trade. So in order to find out whether we should, what we need to do is look for a bias. Has the market got a good chance of reversing in that area? It's not necessarily a difficult thing to work out. What we're looking for is a question of, is there resistance there? So you can do that by compressing the charts, widening them out, looking for little lines like this to see whether there's a good potential chance of a reversal. If we found a resistance there in the past, we're likely to find resistance there in the future. So not here, can't see it on the 15-minute chart here. But what we can do is reference a higher time frame. Now, a really good discipline is to look at a 4-hour chart when you're day trading. It's a nice smooth chart, gives you nice, good, strong reversal areas. I'm going to have a quick look at the 4-hour chart now. Just have a look and see where we came off from yesterday. The pivot point here at 1444, spot 88. You see how the market hit that level, tested it. This is the rally from, this is where we were rallying into the morning, and then where we started to come off. We hit that level, tested it, and then what we look for is the rejection from testing that level to give us that short trade. So we can see a very visual resistance point put in place. What Trendsignal does is it calculates the key price from which the market turns, and it plots that price for you automatically. So that 1444 spot 88 is a key price where this market has found resistance before, and it's likely to find resistance there again in the future. So we can use that to help us make our trading decisions. So even if we're wanting to go short, this gives us a good zone from which to look for those opportunities. So going back to my 15-minute chart, looking for that opportunity from yesterday, we can see how we went through 1444 spot 8. We found that rejection, and then we started to come off, giving us an opportunity for a short, which then moved down nicely, picking up, best part of what, 50 points or so their profit. You can set and forget. You can put a stop loss in up here above the high. See how it tested it a couple of times, but ultimately moved down nicely to target and out of the trade by 4 o'clock within sort of 3 or 4 hours. Nice trade, and good display really of how we can use support and resistance to help us identify stronger trading opportunities.